Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to Flipkart. As you can see, Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce site and it is the second largest e-commerce platform in India. So first up here, if you're going to open your Amazon account, as you can see here, so usually if you want to redeem gift card, just click on the accounts right here at the top right, and then you just need to go here on gift cards to view the balance or redeem a card. And as you can see, if we're going to click on this gift cards, and basically here, all right, I'm going to click on the refresh button. And here on this page, as you can see, your gift card balance, and you can actually reload your balance or redeem a gift card. So in this case, I'm going to click on redeem a gift card. And usually, you just need to enter the claim code and then click apply to your balance, and it will add up to your gift card balance. But currently, as you can see here, your gift card balance can't be transferred to other accounts. So if you see this review terms and condition, basically you'll find that there is no direct option to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to Flipkart. So the only way here to basically use that balance to Flipkart is to transfer the gift card to your bank account or debit or credit card. So to do that, you just need to open a new tab here, and we're going to search for a website. So type here Raise Marketplace, and then you will find this link right here. Raise buy and sell discounted gift cards. All right, so we're going to click on this link, and then you'll be directly go to the main website. As you can see, so here on Raise Marketplace, you can basically sell your gift cards and transfer it to PayPal and transfer into credit or debit card. So as you can see, sell gift cards for cash. So all you need to do here, you just have to click on the sell a card button. And here you will find the 3 ways on how you can do that. Find your cards, and then list for sale, and then get paid. As you can see, receive funds via direct deposit on or PayPal when you sell. So once you get the funds on your PayPal, you can just transfer it from PayPal to debit or credit card. So to do this one, go to the search box right here at the top. All right. Go back here and then go to the search box. I'm going to enter the store name, which is the Amazon.com, and then click on Get Started button. And then you'll find this page. As you can see, current Amazon.com listings, the value and discount, and sell Amazon.com gift cards. But at this time, they are not accepting this brand for sale on the Raise Marketplace. But you can check if your country or region is allowing this Amazon gift cards to sell and transfer it to your PayPal. So when you transfer it to PayPal, then basically you can transfer the money or balance to your credit and debit card that you can use to check out some or purchase some products on Flipkart. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.